So in this video, you'll learn how to disable the Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step when it comes to disabling the Hey Google feature on your Samsung phone is to simply navigate to the Google app. From here, you're then going to tap on your profile icon, then you're going to look for settings and you're going to select it. Under settings, tap on Google Assistant, and then in this settings, what you want to do is simply scroll until you find the option General. Tap on it. Under General, you should see a toggle next to Google Assistant. So what you're going to do is just tap on the toggle and confirm that you wish to disable it. Once it's been disabled, now whenever you try to say this phrase, Hey Google, you'll see it doesn't appear, which means that you've successfully turned off the Google Assistant on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.